Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Prolux, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace this suction relief flap on a Prolux 7000. This should work from the 6000 all the way up to the 8000, so without further ado, let's get started. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You don't need one this long, this is all I had at the moment. But what we need to do is we need to pull this down. Okay, so here's the flap, and it kind of just pops into these two tabs on each side. And then behind this, there is a metal, it looks like a metal V. I'll show you when it's popped out, but all you need to do is get your flathead in here. Kind of just pop it out. So here is the flap. If you guys need a replacement of one of these, we can either send you the complete flap or we can just send you the suction slide right here, depends on what you need. But here is that metal V clip I was telling you about. You see how on one end there's a little slit in it? That slit's gonna go towards the vacuum. So it's gonna sit like that, and then you're gonna push it in.
A few moments later.
Okay, finally got it, holy cow. All right, well, that took me a lot longer than I expected, but I got it on. If you guys have any questions or if you need replacement parts, you can send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. Kyle Prolux, and I'll see you later.